guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make blini. Super easy, you can make them in just a couple hours. I grew up on this stuff and they're just amazing.
So to start off, I'm going to mention the pronunciation. They're called blini, but I get that Google writes it blini. I can't even say it that way. It was mentioned to me in a comment, but I grew up speaking Russian and my mom is from Ukraine, and that's how we say it, blini.
Let's go ahead and make some.
Start out with some warmed milk and water, warmed up to about 110 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Then add your yeast and sugar and take a 10 to 15 minute breather. After 15 minutes, the liquid will look frothy. Then add salt, eggs, and whole wheat flour. You can sift the flour, or for a quicker method, spoon out the flour into your measuring cup. Stir the mixture till there are no more large lumps. Then stir in the melted butter. Cover the bowl with a clean, dry towel and set it in a warm spot in the kitchen for 1 hour. After that hour, the batter will be bubbly, very much alive and ready to cook. Preheat your skillet or crepe pan to about medium-high. Butter your pan with a stick of butter or brush on melted butter. And pour your batter immediately. So when I make Yeasted Blini, I'm looking for a lacy look and crispy golden edges. I love the crispy buttery edges. That's the best part in my opinion. Now just finish up all the batter. The way I judge when they're ready to be flipped is when the top starts looking a little dry and the edges are golden and crisp. I use a little under 1/3 cup of batter and swirl the pan till you make a circle. It doesn't have to fill the entire pan, but it's up to you if you want to. Now, before you flip these, be sure to make sure all the edges and middle are unstuck. If you mess up on the flip, don't stress. As you make these, you can just make a stack or 2 of them. If you're serving them soon, keep them warm in the oven. If you're pre-making a bunch, just make sure to either place parchment paper in between each one or warm up slightly when you're ready to serve them. Otherwise, it'll be hard to unstick them without ripping if they're very cold. You'll see one of my mess-ups here shortly. I figured I'd share it so you don't think I never screw up with these. My kids and husband love eating the mess-ups. And here's one of my mess-ups. I've had a few, so don't give up. Listen to that sizzle. I love that sound. That's what I want to hear when I cook these. It's pretty satisfying, I must admit. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And be sure to hit that bell as well. For the full recipe, go to wholemadeliving.com. Happy blini, or blini making, however you want to say it.